Okay, G.
Yep. It's that time of the month, huh?
It's that time of the month. You're going to make some happy people. 2,237 people we're distributing to.
Partners.
Yep.
That's awesome.
That's it.
How much total? What's the total?
And I got to get you a total on that.
Okay.
For the dollar amount.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. There's my favorite coach.
I knew it.
Coach right there. That check's for $34.56. We do this every month, folks. Favorite time of the month. I'm sending money out, not taking money. This is for $864. First one's for $34.56.
Right.
So I got a couple checks, mostly wires.
Look at that.
And this is what I do every month. All right. So here they are back here. And I'll just go through and bang them all, man. So if you want me to send you some money, go to cardonecapital.com. I don't know if we're up right here. Probably not. We're going to have to figure out a faster way for me to do this.
I know.
Okay.
The total I got for you. You ready?
Yeah.
Total distributed right now this month, $1,563,000.
That's up 200 grand from last month. 1,500,000. So let's see, over 12 months, if I did that every month, it would be $18 million a year. There's, right? Yeah. 180 million in the fund. So at 18, what did I say? 18,000 a year? 18 million. Sorry.
Yeah.
18 million a year. That's almost a 10%. So there's people that are in every fund that I've done. Fund 1, Fund 2, Fund 3. Here's my brother, my sister, my mother-in-law. Here's checks for 13 grand, 6,500, 2,600, $7,400. Let's see here. So, check for $1,175. What would you do with that every month, folks? What would you spend it on? This is one of our first funds right here. This is to an IRA partner, $500. So they have a self-directed IRA, 401k there. And let's see here. Oh my God, look at these. David, Diane, Elena. Oh, that's my wife. It's James Skidmore. Oh, James. Okay, 500, 500, 500, 1,000, 1,000, 500, 550, 1,500, 1,200. Yeah, man. This is
So
juicy.
many.
This is juicy. Okay, look, this is what I want you to do. If you have invested with me already, oh yeah, all these are checks. 1208, $67, 350, 527, 306, 417, 417, 417. Where's the juicy ones? 417, 2083, 2083, 417, 833, 625. Passive income. Every month, these people get these checks. As the cash flow grows, the checks get bigger. 154, 667, 7,083 to one family's trust. $417, 417. There's 2,200 of these going out this month. Is that right?
Yep, 2,237.
Okay, 2,237. I wish you were one of these checks. If this is what I want you to do, okay? If you're watching this and you're paying attention to it, I've been investing in real estate for 35 years. I bought almost $2 billion worth of real estate. We have $1.2 billion of assets under management and probably going to go to $1.5 billion by September. If you go to cardonecapital.com, and when you go there, you can schedule a call with my staff. We got people here that'll take your phone calls. You can schedule a call. It's a 5-minute call, and you can ask your question. Could be like, hey, can I use my 401k, or can I use my IRA, or how often do you distribute money, or what do you expect the cash flow to be, or what is the internal rate of return? How long will you keep it? What's the holding time? What's the downside? What's the upside? Is this better than a REIT? Is this better than ETFs? How does this relate or translate to what Blackstone or some other fund's doing? My team will answer all those questions. Don't be surprised when you schedule a call if I don't jump on the phone with you. So if you want to see the deals we're doing, if you have a question, go to cardonecapital.com, hit schedule a call in here. It'll give you this time. It's like a 5 to 10 minute phone call, little short windows. Ask your questions to any of my team. They'll do their best to answer. Don't be surprised if I jump on the call. And look, if you're not ready to invest, okay, go there. And I think, is there a place to grab the book? Yeah, but do they have to do that? Or can they just find, is there a place? Yeah, hey, go to, if you want to just grab the book and you want to learn about what I'm investing in, I wrote about it. It's only a couple hundred pages, 222 pages. And I tell you exactly what I'm looking for, what I'm buying, how I look at a deal, how I make sense of a deal, why I buy a deal, why I don't buy a deal, and what kind of returns we're looking for, okay? So I'm going to go back to signing my checks because that's what I'm supposed to be doing right now instead of running my mouth. Me running my mouth doesn't make anybody any money. Me signing checks, on the other hand, will pay some people's tuitions. Who knows what people do with the money? What would you do, Sherry, if you had another $1,500 a month coming in?
Wow, I'd probably help some more people if I could.
Sherry would give it away.
Maybe I'd drive a nicer car.
Yeah. Okay, here's Janice, $709 a month. Ameeth, $858. Justin, $417. Eric, $417. Irene, you can see these folks like these are real people with real names. 417, 834, 542, 8,000. I don't want to share their names, even though they'd probably be fine with it. 2,200 checks going out or wires. Some of it's going to their 401k, some of it's going to their checking account, some of it's going to their savings account. You tell me where to send the money. I buy the deal, find the deal, finance the deal, manage the deal. I use my credit. And I give you an opportunity to join in with me at CardoneCapital.com, right here, CardoneCapital.com. Schedule a call, register, get your money in, okay? Once I do these deals, I'm closing Fund 4 and 5, which are open right now. They'll be completely closed, okay? Come invest with me. I'll never let you down.